Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the command prompt to format a volume or a disk. So let's go forward. First of all, you have to go to the startup menu. You can type CMD on the search bar, right click on the CMD and run as an administrator. There are also other ways to locate the command prompt. You can use the home key on the keyboard and plus the arrow key, which to show you this dialog. Type CMD, then it has already given you the opportunity to open it or run it as an administrator. You click OK. Okay, let's move on with how to format with this command prompt. The next thing you do is you type the disk part. This gives you the privilege to show the disk that you want to format. So the next thing is you write list volume to show you the volume you want to format. Write the list volume, you click enter. It will display the volume you want to format. First of all, we have the CD-ROM, we have the system reserve, we have the local disk, which is the disk C, and we have a removable disk there, the one we are going to work with. So the next thing is you select the volume you want to format, which is the volume 3. Then you click enter. The volume has been selected, then you type the format and you click enter. Okay, the volume will format now. I won't be formatting mine because there are still a lot of things inside. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button for